In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Wix members area and create a new blank page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to name your new page so your site stays organized and easy to navigate. First, inside your Wix editor, look to the left-hand toolbar and click on Add Elements. This is the panel where you'll find everything you can place on your site, from text and images to more advanced features. In that panel, click on the search option to quickly find what we need. In the search bar, type Wix member. You're looking for the option labeled Wix members area. This feature adds built-in pages and tools that let visitors sign up, log in, and access member-only content. Click on Wix members area to start the setup. When you select it, the editor may show a loading indicator. Let it load fully. You might see it load a second time as Wix connects all the pages and permissions behind the scenes. Just be patient and wait for it to finish. Once everything is ready, click on Add. This applies the members area to your site. You'll notice Wix typically creates several helpful pages automatically, like a login page and a member profile area, so you don't have to build those from scratch. Next, let's create a new page for your site. On the left-hand side, open the Pages panel. This is where all your site's pages are listed and managed. Click on Add Page to start a new one. When the options appear, choose Blank Page. A blank page gives you full creative control without any preset layout, which is great if you have a specific design in mind. Now it's time to rename the page so it's easy to identify later. Give it a clear, descriptive name that matches its purpose, something your visitors will understand at a glance. Short and specific names work best. After you've typed the name, click on Done to confirm. This saves the page name and updates your site's navigation accordingly. That's it. You've added a Wix members area and created a new blank page, neatly named and ready for content. From here, you can design the page however you like and decide whether to keep it public or make it members only using the tools you just added.